In this project, I'm going to install an air return in the master bedroom to improve the circulation and the ease of stress on the HVAC system. So I'm installing this 12 by 12, and it's going to go right in here. And this is the finished product. I installed the air return in the master bedroom there, the box and the grill, and then put the ductwork all along this ceiling to keep it out of the way so that it doesn't interfere with access to the attic and storage space, whatnot. And it goes all the way, this one here, and I attached it to the top of the plenum box. So it is done. The unit should be able to function more efficiently now. We'll see how it works.